why marriage is actually a complete scam, right? If you really love somebody and you're willing to spend the rest of your life with somebody, why does a paper need to justify that? Why do you need to host an entire wedding just to tell your parents and friends that you're committed to somebody? Why can't you just do that on a simple micro level between the two of you? And my mentor, Jason Capital, always talked about this, and that's why he doesn't want to get married as well. It's because it's all just a tool for the girl to get 50% of what you have. And that's how you see all these things happening in the news right now with Johnny Depp and this girl, Amber. She's trying to take $14 million from him, and he did absolutely nothing. It's because they were married that she is now obligated to make these kind of accusations. You know, even if a prenup is signed, it's still not as valid as it was 20, 30 years ago. So make sure that you understand that the world is changing. Things are just moving in either the right or wrong direction, whatever you believe in. But marriage is a complete scam. It's a way for someone else to get 50% of what you have. And maybe they weren't even there from the start. So start evaluating that in your life right now and see if that's really the path that you want to take.